Court is open. Please be seated.
Commonwealth versus Abigail Hanna.
Custody.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Susan McNeil on behalf of Ms. Hanna. I filed an appearance with the court. I'll waive reading of the complaint. Pardon me?
Good morning, Your Honor. Kristen Buxton on behalf of the Commonwealth. The Commonwealth has filed a motion to detain Ms. Hanna without bail.
Your Honor, at this time, the defense stipulates to that motion without prejudice. I filed 2 additional motions with the court. One is for a competency evaluation, and I'm asking the court to send Ms. Hanna for a competency evaluation. And if the court wants to deal with that first, I can recite the second motion as well.
So you're stipulating as part of the cause.
Yes, Your Honor. Without prejudice. that is.
Speaker on competency.
I would I've had her speak to the court clinician, Your Honor, and I'm asking the court to hear the court clinician's testimony as competency, and I'm asking that she be sent for an evaluation.
Do you solemnly swear the testimony you'll give in the cause and hearing will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do.
Proceed.
For the record, Dr. Howe, court psychologist for the Ipswich District Court this day. I did do an evaluation of Ms. Hanna pursuant to Mass General Laws, Chapter 123, Section 15A, regarding the question of competency. In preparation for the evaluation, I had an opportunity to speak with her parents and to speak with Dr. Joss, who had conducted an interview of her over the weekend. I also had an opportunity to observe Ms. Hanna and to briefly interview her. I interviewed her down in the lockup of this building. Most of the interview was conducted with her sitting on the floor. Most of the interview was conducted with her either nodding her head or shaking her head in response to my questions. She had a barely adequate understanding of the Lamb warning. She was unable to present a factual understanding of the charges or even understanding of where she was that was completely logical. At the present time, Your Honor, she's experiencing multiple psychotic symptoms, including auditory hallucinations instructing her not to speak with me. She is experiencing suicidal ideation, and she has not tried to hurt herself today, but it's not clear whether or not she is intending to at some time today. Over the weekend, she endorsed both auditory and visual hallucinations, and has a history of multiple suicide attempts. She also has a history of multiple memory lapses. At the present time, as I said, she is basically mute. She is unable to give me demonstrate an adequate understanding of the factual nature of the criminal court system or of her charges. And she is demonstrating no rational ability to participate in her defense or to work with her attorney. She meets this, in my opinion, she is not competent. It is also my opinion she'll need further evaluation at inpatient facility. I do have a bed for her at the Worcester Recovery Center and Hospital if you order.
Thank you, Judge. I have one additional motion I filed with the court, Your Honor.
Proceed with
Excuse me, Your Honor.
Are you requesting a bail warrant for down the road?
Well, at this point, I believe she'd be held without bail.
I understand that. Probable cause has been found, she will be held without bail, pending a dangerousness hearing. Ms. Hanna, should bail at some future time be set, and were you to post that bail, the conditions of the case would be that you stay away from all of the alleged victims in this case, and you not incur any new offenses. If you violate any of those conditions, if you return to this court, bail would be revoked, you will be held without bail.
Okay.
Good.
December 14th, then, would that be?
I believe we've done the calculation, unless I'm incorrect, that we need to have a return date of December 11th.
Thank you.
December 11th.
Well, all right, we'll be in a brief recess.